Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore ka khot admission nagmenta ka nursing but paramedical course ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council ka by admission ka badunatam but shispa % ka jingyokam pila ru ban apply da ka education loan
Kamukam College Long ka khot admission haki degree but diploma course ban long chef hotelier but QA ban deb khap mania fila ban call haki niki number
U Menteri ka Sorkar Jilla u rakam e sangma ulong ba ki Mynder ken omwan Lyngba karel Namarba ki suk ban Rung sa ka Jilla Meghalaya Lyngba ka khaput ha ka jing ekran bat kilat pathai khubor u rakam ulong ba ka jing penyeso ya ka lentirel na bakmara shadu Dhaka kamdei ban khangla dia ka South Garu Hills bat ongru ba ki Mynder ki laru ban wan Lyngba ka lingsun ne Dhaka bus lani daga baprong Lyngba ki khlau ki betap.
The illegal immigrant will not come through the railway, nor flight, nor in the bus. They will come as it is. We have, suppose, Meghalaya is open border. Meghalaya is open border. I'm sure I have to admit today, in the West Garu Hills, you see thousands people are there. Did these people come through railway? Does these people come through flight? No. So illegal is illegal. So suppose our border is open, completely open. Anybody can enter, anybody can. But thank God for the pioneers of our parents, forefather. The founding father of the state, the founding father of the district council, they have laid a strong mechanism for 6th schedule for the tribal people of the state. We have Dorbasnong, we have Nokma, we have district council, we have local authorities who will always monitor. If I am in Dorbasnong, if I am in Nokma, I know who are staying in my locality. I know everybody, right? So if district council, Dorbasnong, local leaders, the police forces, if everything work, and on top of that, the land doesn't belong to the government. The land belongs to me. I will never allow anybody to occupy my land. Right? Even army isn't allowed. Right? Army have to pay the compensation. The government of India need to for the construction of the road. The Minister of Highway has to pay the compensation for the damage of the land and the building to construct the highway. Which is for our good purpose. Forget about staying by somebody in my land. So we have a strong mechanism in place if we implement properly. So district council is as Captain Sangma used to say, if somebody think and decide to do our district council, he is a man who should set himself. We have a strong mechanism in 6th schedule which will protect our land, our people, our own interests. If we implement 6th schedule properly and strongly, this is the best weapon to protect from illegal immigrant.
But the VPP is advocating for 371 instead of 6 schedule. What do you say?
I don't want to comment on that, and they may know the better subject. But for me, nothing can replace with a 6th schedule. It's the best mechanism, best blessing to the people of the state and people for the Trump people. We should not question the wisdom of our forefathers. Had 371 is better than 6th schedule, they should have opted for 371, right? But for me, 6th schedule, which is the ownership of the land and the authority over the land, but over and inside the land, is a supreme mechanism, the best mechanism for me. But you may have a difference on this. But as for me, nothing should and has a better law which can replace 6th schedule with interest for the tribal people. Meghalaya is, suppose I will give an example. As per the 2011 census I've gone through, in South Garu Hills there are only 11,000 non-indigenous people. They are not illegal immigrants. In North Garo Hills, there are only 8,000 non-indigenous population in the state. But in West Garo Hills, more than 3.5 lakhs of non-indigenous people in the state. I don't know. I'm not saying they're illegal or not illegal, but for me, suppose I don't know other district, but for me, if I refer to my village, if I refer to my Akang land, right? My uncle is a Nokma. He knows who is staying where, who is staying where. If any new person staying, if any new person come and stay in under his Nokma seat, he will be arrested. He will be taken to task. Who will come and stay? So now every individual aware of the land, every family aware of the land, every Nokmas aware of the land. So I think that maybe yes, this may be the issue, but not the 100%. Is only the way out. Is only the problem. Yes, railway maybe another way to interpret, but it is not the only this. There are other factors which can give room for legal immigrant. But it's not only about the railway. But after all, yes, definitely there is a principle, this thing. But yeah, if ILP can in place, it's a good thing. Something. Look, nothing is permanent. Nothing is permanent. So this situation will change tomorrow. Yesterday there was a different situation. Today is a different situation, and tomorrow that will be complete a different days altogether. So yes, at the moment it is not appropriate. But however, I don't see this situation will continue. It may tomorrow. I'm sure tomorrow will be different days altogether. So, but that situation should not stop. Not forget about the Bangladesh. This Bangladesh situation should not stop the South Koreans being connected with the railway, right? So it is not only mean to Dhaka or Bangladesh, but if Bangladesh situation improve, yes, definitely can be. But suppose if the situation doesn't continue, we can stop it, right? We can stop. I think mainly, I don't know. Not about the project. I'm just thinking about the process, right? So, but that should not. What is happening in outside somewhere that should not stop something that we decided to do. Yes, but yes, I'm sure the situation will definitely improve. Suppose if the situation improves, so every will end up tomorrow. Sometimes submission to the injustice is not a justice. So sometimes we should work together to how to find a solution to it. So nothing is permanent. Yeah.